great time is together.
Everyone, walk with me in a new journey. Let us join down Team Fire Party. Hello everyone, today we are celebrating Zen's birthday. Here at home, we might have a very true. I am your party host, Ate Yeng, and together with me, hello kiddos, I'm Ate Chen, of course.
I'm Ate Chen.
Welcome everyone. This is the happiest place to be. Join down Team Fire. Alright, good afternoon everyone. Welcome everybody down Team Fire. First, always wear your face mask. The only time you can remove it is during langhap sarap time or during eating time.